In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take backup of your Gmail account step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable copy of your emails saved exactly where you want them. Start by signing into your Gmail account in your web browser, then go to takeout.google.com. This is Google Takeout, the official tool for exporting your Google data. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check you're signed into the correct one before you proceed. For security, Google may ask you to verify your identity. On the main Takeout page, click Deselect All so you're not exporting everything by default. Scroll to find Mail and select it. If you only want specific labels, choose All Mail Data Included and uncheck what you don't need. Selecting less data makes the export faster and the file smaller. You can also include other Google data if you want, but keep in mind it will increase the export time and size. Click Next Step to move to the export options. Here, choose your export frequency. If you just need a one-time backup, pick Export Once. If you want regular backups, choose the Scheduled option, which automatically creates a new export every 2 months for a year. Next, pick your file type. ZIP is the most common and works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Then set the archive size limit. If your data is larger than the limit you choose, Google will split it into multiple files. Larger limits mean fewer parts, but make sure your device can handle the download and storage. Select how you want to receive the backup. You can get a download link by email or save it directly to a cloud service like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. If you pick a cloud option, make sure there's enough space in that account to hold the archive. Click Create Export to start the process. Depending on how much mail you have, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. You'll get an email when the export is ready, and you can also check progress on the Takeout page. When your export is ready, download the archive to your computer and unzip it. Inside, you'll find your emails in MBOX format, which is a standard mailbox file. To view these messages, you can import the MBOX file into a desktop email app like Thunderbird or use a dedicated MBOX viewer. Keep your backup in a safe place, and consider storing a copy on an external drive or secure cloud for redundancy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like these.